Today, I'll show you the easiest way to save any website as a PDF in Google Chrome. It's super simple and perfect for beginners.
All right, fam, let's jump right into it. First thing you got to do is open up Google Chrome and head over to the website you want to save. Maybe it's a recipe, maybe it's an article, maybe it's something you don't want to lose. Whatever it is, just open it up. Now check this out. In the top right corner of Chrome, you're going to see a little button with 3 vertical dots. Yup, the More Options button. Go ahead and click that. When the menu pops up, hit Print. And if you want to be fancy, you can also press Control-P on your keyboard. Boom, same thing. Once the print window shows up, look for the option that says Destination. Click that and pick Save as PDF. That's the magic move. Now, if you only want to save certain pages, like maybe just page 1 or pages 2 to 3, you can easily set that under the Pages section. Super helpful if the website is long and you don't need the whole thing. You can also switch the page layout. If you want vertical, keep it on portrait. If you want a wide look, go ahead and choose landscape. When you're all ready, just hit Save at the bottom. Your computer will open a Save As window. Pick the folder where you want to keep your PDF. Rename it if you want, totally up to you, and then click Save again. And boom, the website is now saved as a PDF. You can go to the folder where you saved it, open it up, and check how it looks. Super easy, right? Told you. If this helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment so YouTube knows we're doing something right.